Hello, beautiful souls. How are you? I need you. Like the desert needs rain, like the breathless need air, like the flowers need sunshine. My dear heart, I need you. I need you. From the first chapter of my love story, my dear heart. My love story on the last. When you pull me close, when you pull me close, I want to stay there with your arms around me, my sweetheart. I feel so safe. I feel so safe, and when my hands is on your chest, your heart is all I hear. I never want to leave you, my sweet dear heart. I never want to leave you. It's just the perfect moment. It's just the perfect moment. I'm enter. I'm enthralled by your beauty, mesmerized by your charisma, my dear heart. Mesmerized by your charisma and spellbound by your love for me, my darling. No wonder I am always thinking about you. I am always thinking about you. You deserve the world. And I know I cannot give that to you, my dear. So I shall give you the next best thing, my life, my dear. My world, let me love you. If not for the rest of your life, then for the rest of mine. Then for the rest of mine, my days are like nights. My days are like nights when you are not around me. Your love brings the sweet sunlight. Your love brings the sweet sunlight in my heart. Because I love you a lot. I love you, my sweet dear heart. Please subscribe and like.